I'm Dennis Dawson. This video provides a quick conceptual overview of Hadoop and MapReduce. Hadoop recently released an eponymous cereal to market. I said eponymous, as in named after him. Hadoop's is a roasted groat cereal with treat disguises: purple circles, yellow triangles, orange hexagons, blue squares, green octagons, and red rhombuses. Hadoop wondered what the actual distribution of candy elements was in the real world. He wanted to ensure that everyone was getting an equal representation in every bowlful. Being inherently lazy, Hadoop called up a cluster of his friends and relatives and asked each of them to gather the candy bits from the cereal in their own cupboard. When all of the individuals had sorted or mapped the contents of their own boxes, they shuffled them about so that all of the candy bits of one type were grouped together. They sent the results to Hadoop's good friends Reed and Deuce. Reed got the results for the purple circles, yellow triangles, and orange hexagons. Deuce got the results for blue squares, green octagons, and red rhombuses. Reed and Deuce summarized, or reduced, the results. First, they counted all the candy bits of each type. Then, they divided the sum of each candy element by 24, the total number of cereal boxes. This gave them the average number of each type of candy in a typical box of Hadoop cereal. By spreading the workload around and working in parallel, Hadoop and his cluster were able to quickly and accurately accomplish what had been a serial task. Here's a slightly less abstract example. America Yodels is a reality TV competition where each week yodelers from across the country compete to see who will be the next great yodeler. The input data consists of names of the contestants. For each vote, the mapper creates a key value pair comprised of the contestant's name and the value 1. The mappers scan the input, extract the votes, and group them together. Hadoop automatically performs the shuffle phase for you, where the intermediate results are sent directly to the correct reducer for processing. In this example, the votes for Jenny and Jerry are sent to one reducer. The votes for Jimmy and Johnny are sent to the second reducer. The reducers summarize the data and send the results to the master computer, which compiles the information and presents it in its final form. That's a quick overview of Hadoop. You have several options for learning more about Hadoop and MapReduce. MapReduce is an open source API. You can extend the map and reduce classes with your own pre- and post-processing logic using Java or one of many scripting languages. To get started, visit docs.cloudera.com, scroll down to the Quick Links section, and click the link to the Hadoop tutorial.